Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Here I come for the new video about the hand sanitizer available in Amazon's. Viewers, as you know, the coronavirus is spreading all over the world very quickly, and we need to prevent and protect some things like hand sanitizer. Here I am showing to you some amazing and very effective hand sanitizer available on Amazon. Before starting the videos, I am requesting all of you please subscribe my channel Technical Faruqi and also press the bell icon. Now here we start. This is the first sanitizer which I select for you. The 2-piece 200 ml hand sanitizer spray, long lasting speed, dry hand lotion, disposable portable hand soap, hand wash for home, office, traveling, white. This is a picture view of this sanitizer. You can see this is a 2-piece disinfection spray. Before spray and after spray, you can see the result. This is prevent all kind of bacteria and protect your health. Bacteria and everywhere. Bacteria, as you know, the bacteria are everywhere. This is environmental control, bacterial cross infection, path fungus and sneezing propagation. No irritation hand sanitizer blocks the viruses for you. Disinfectant spray, protect your health. No skin irritation, smell and easy to carry. Total inhibition of bacteria and viruses. The sterilization rate can reach 99.9%. Easy to carry on your bag, on your pocket. This is a very good sanitizer available in Amazon. Here I go to another. This is a sweet lotion 60 and 120 ml available in 2 strengths. Hand sanitizer, long lasting speed, dry hand lotion, disposable portable hand soap, hand wash gel. This is a picture view of this product. Suruni hand sanitizer spray. This is a sterilization, non-toxic and no hurt your hand. It's 120 ml bottle. Easy to apply. Disinfection, sterilization to prevent bacterial growth, and influenza virus, hand, foot, mouth virus are raging. Want to stubbornly protect your family. Hand sanitizer, 120 ml bottle. You can see the result before and after use. Amazing. This is the very good sanitizer available in Amazon. Now the another. $30 ml hand sanitizer, long lasting speed, dry hand lotion, disposable water free, portable hand soap, hand wash gel for home, office, traveling, white. Sorry, I am showing you same one. This is another. This is a Kit Advanced Hand Sanitizer Refreshing Gel, washless hand sanitizer gel, 50 ml portable hand soap gel to instant skin cleansing, non-irritating green. This is a picture of this hand sanitizer. You can use in office, the mall, the restaurant, in the hospital, in the school and in family. It's protect you all places. This is a view of this sanitizer. Preventive disinfection, prevention of cross infection, Bacteriostatics rate 99.9%, easy to carry, safe and non-inflammatory, effective and sterilization. Protect your whole family. Farewell to bacterial residue. This is a result before and after use. Clean your hand. As I say already, you can use convenient, safe and practical. You can use anywhere, in the office, in the mall, restaurant, hospital, school and family. Now I'm showing you another sanitizer. Hand soap, hand sanitizer. Hand is sanitizer gel containing 75% bacteriostatic, gel refreshing, gel pump bottle, fresh breeze, 10 FLOZ, one size. This is a picture view of this product. This is Siruni hand sanitizer. This is the front view and the back view of the bottle. This is showing the before use and after use. Non-toxic, no hurt your hand. Effective at eliminating 99.99% of many common harmful germs and bacteria in is as little as 15 seconds. Moisturizing formula with vitamins. You can also use in everywhere. Amusement park, pet agency, beauty agency, school, family, etc. Now these are the some amazing sanitizer and gel available on Amazon. You can see and you can visit the sites. I'm giving my link on the description. Visit and buy online. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.